Welcome to City of San Antonio Airwatch Enrollment for city-owned devices only. Here I'm checking my Wi-Fi connection as it is helpful with enrollment but not necessary. I'm going to go to the App Store, click on the icon on the top right to sign in, enter my Apple ID and password. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. If you don't have an Apple ID that you use for work, you can contact us and we can assist you. Once I'm signed in, click sign in after I enter my password information and then click done at the top there. And then I'll go to search on the bottom right and enter Intelligent Hub. This is the app we're searching for. It's called Intelligent Hub. There it is. There's a cloud icon next to mine. If you'll see Get next to that one, that's what yours will look like if you haven't downloaded it before. So tap on Get. I'll tap on the cloud icon. It'll start its download process. You may have to enter your Apple ID password or put a thumbprint in order for it to start downloading, depending on how you have your settings for your Apple Store account. Then I'll open up the app. It's going to take me to the app and we're going to go and put in our server information. I'm going to use the QR code from the email. You can also enter your City of San Antonio email address to pull up the server information. I'm going to tap QR code and scan the QR code from the email. I have to allow camera access. Here we go. Here I'm going to select my department, which is very important so that I get the correct apps that I need for work. If you select the wrong department, you won't get the apps you need. You get somebody else's apps. I'm an ITSD. I selected ITSD. Next. Here I'm going to enter my username and password. This one looks weird because it's a test account. Yours will be your SAP number or your initials and 5 numbers, whatever you use to log onto the computer or your email. Same username and password that you use for that. We'll enter it here and then click Next. Here we're going to select corporate owned and dedicated. That's the default. You shouldn't have to change it. It should be corporate owned, corporate dedicated, and then next. Again, this is just kind of explaining what Workspace is going to do, what the mobile device management is. We'll click next on that. And it's going to take you out to a web page. You don't have to do anything. It does this part automatically. Here we're going to allow it to access our settings. Here we're going to agree and install to install the device management profile. Install again. Here it's just letting us know what it's going to install. We're going to agree again and trust. Again, install and trust and then done. Okay. And then it's going to open up in the app. Click open there. Here we are. Click done on this part, and then it's going to start loading the profile for you. We're going to select manage here because we want to allow it to manage, and then install. Okay, here we're going to allow notification settings and always allow location services, and then install. Here's some of the privacy information. Understand, I agree. Select this device and send data to sync your profile with our mobile device management system. Then it's asking us to set a passcode. This is required for security. Passcode should be 6 characters or more. One that you can remember, but that is not easily guessed. You have to enter it twice and then press save. Alright, and we're going to check some settings. First one, I'll click cancel here for now. I'll do that later in settings. First setting we're going to check is going to be make sure our passcode is set. It is. And then we're going to go to privacy and location services. Make sure they're turned on. and that they're turned on for the Hub app, and they are. All right, and then back out to passwords and accounts. COSA Exchange Mail, tap on your email address, and here's where you're going to enter your password again to get your email started syncing in your contacts. So you'll enter your password and click done, and you'll get blue check marks next to everything if you've entered your password correctly. There we go. So it's going to start syncing mail, contacts, etc. You can adjust the settings here as you please. Okay, and I'm going to go back out to the home page. And I'm going to go back into settings real quick and sign out of iCloud because I don't need an Apple ID anymore, because we're going to use, instead of the App Store, we're going to use COSA apps. That's right there next to the AD self-service called COSA apps. That's where you'll get your work-related applications from now on. It'll pull up a list of them. You can choose what you need, and you'll click install next to them. I'm going to choose 311 Essay, install, processing. It should come up with a message to install it, and it didn't, so I'm going to go back out and try again. And try one more time. Install. And there we go. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to click install there, and then it'll start installing the application. You may have to try a couple times. If you're trying to install an app and it's just not working for you, you can always give us a call. We're at 207-8888. Option 3 is the mobile help desk, and you can report any issues with enrollment or app installation to us directly. You can also submit a ticket through the COSA web to the IT report a problem to the IT service request portal. All right, that is it. Thank you for joining us.